moisturizers help strengthen your protective skin barrier and provide all-day hydration. CeraVe offers a range of fragrance-free and paraben-free facial moisturizers, so it's easy to find the right one for you, no matter your skin type. CeraVe, the #1 dermatologist-recommended facial moisturizer brand.
Thy ticket, Lady Jennifer Coolidge.
Well, many thanks, good sir. Here is my Discover card.
They accept Discover at Renaissance fairs?
Yeah, they do here. Discover's accepted at the places I love to shop. Get it? With the times.
With the times?
You're playing the lead. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, right?
Discover is accepted at 99% of places that take credit cards nationwide. Based on the February 2024 Nielsen report.
Hey, it's Ryan Seacrest for Shaw's at Star Market. It's Oral Care Month, which means you can earn 4 times points on all your favorite oral care brands. Now through July 15th. Shop in-store or online for items like Colgate toothpaste, Listerine mouthwash, Crest mouthwash for toothpaste, Sensodyne toothpaste, Hello toothpaste, or GUM flossers, and earn 4 times points. Points can be redeemed for future discounts on gas or groceries. Offer ends July 15th. Restrictions apply. Offers may vary. Visit Shaw's at starmarket.com for details.
Lowe's knows how to help you save. This July 4th, get up to 40% off select Whirlpool kitchen appliances. Plus, get an additional 10% off when you buy 2 or 3 select major appliances. And when you buy 4 or more, you'll save an additional 20%. Find the right appliances and features that fit your kitchen's unique needs and style. Shop Whirlpool 4th of July deals at Lowe's. Valid through 7/9. See Lowe's.com for details. Savings vary based on purchase amount. Selection varies by location.
Who needs headphones when you have glasses? Ray-Ban Meta glasses. With discrete open-ear speakers and built-in microphones, you can play your favorite tunes.
Hey, Meta, play hip-hop.
While staying in tune with the world around you. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Choose from a variety of classic Ray-Ban frames, all with Meta AI at meta.com/AI-glasses. And don't forget to say, hey Meta, play iHeartRadio to enjoy your favorite radio stations, artists, and podcasts on the iHeart app.
Since 1983, Nissan has been assembling award-winning vehicles for you, right here in America. And this summer, we're committed to keeping our lineup affordable and free from new tariffs. That's why we've lowered MSRP on our best-selling Rogue and Pathfinder, so you can get the car you want at the price you want. Knowing Nissan is here for you at the Nissan Summer Sales Event.
For limited time until supplies last, assembled with U.S. imported parts. At Factor, we're all about bold, delicious meals and making it easy for you to enjoy them. In as little as 2 minutes, you can heat and eat zesty blackened salmon with rich, creamy smoked Gouda cauliflower grids and tender broccoli. No planning, shopping, prepping, or cooking. Just savoring. Head to factormeals.com and see just how easy delicious can be. Factor. Eat smart. Experience Vizio's 65-inch QLED Smart TV, now at a new low price of $378 at Walmart. Enjoy spectacular viewing with QLED technology, delivering over 1 million vibrant colors. Stream over 300 free channels and 25,000 on-demand titles instantly with WatchFree Plus on the Vizio home screen or mobile app. Enjoy your favorite music through the iHeartRadio app. Just one of hundreds of built-in apps on your Vizio Smart TV. Elevate your entertainment. Get your Vizio 65-inch QLED Smart TV for a new low price of $378 at Walmart today.
You sail beyond the horizon in search of an island scrubbed from every map. You battled krakens. You navigated through storms. Your spade struck the lid of a long-lost treasure chest. While you cooked up a lasagna. There's more to imagine than this. Discover best-selling adventure stories on Audible.
Make the most of your summer at the Kia Summer Sticker Sales Event. Get great deals on capable specially tagged Kias like the Sportage, Sorento, and Seltos.
Let's go!
Or the versatile Niro Hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or EV. All of our vehicles are backed by a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. So visit your local Kia dealer today. Kia, movement that inspires. Call 800-334-KIA for details. Always drive safely. Sale applies to purchase of specially tagged 2025 vehicles only. Event ends 7/7/25. See dealer for warranty details. As citizens, we know when you're into something, you seek out advice. We all do. When you're into fitness, you got a trainer.
Got 12 reps. Let's go.
Wellness, the
imitation and the stylist when you realized fuchsia wasn't your color. That's so you. So, what about advice for your money? From making a plan to reaching your goals, Citizens has the guidance you've been looking for all along. Make sense of your money with Citizens. Get started at your local branch or online at citizensbank.com/made-ready.
Upgrading your smart TV just got easier with the new Roku Streaming Stick and Roku Streaming Stick Plus. They power directly from your TV, clutter-free, so you can get plugged into America's #1 streaming platform. Access features such as backdrops, voice remote, tune into live TV and sports for free, and stream the best apps like iHeart, where you can listen to your favorite music, radio, and podcasts all for free. Head over to Roku.com and meet the new Roku players. It's on. Roku.
This is Gen X Radio.